afternoon. This is Mana Studies Dehradun. I am Maths faculty. My name is Manigandan. Today I am going to do IIT and JEE advanced questions from the chapter Binomial Theorem. First question is on the screen. 1 plus x whole power 5 equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus a4x power 4 x to the power a5x to the power 5. Find the value of a0 plus a4 minus a2 whole square plus a1 minus a3 plus a5 whole square. Now 1 plus x whole power 5. 1 plus x whole power 5 equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus a4x4 plus a5x to the power 5. Equation number 1. Put x equal to I in 1. So we get 1 plus I whole power 5 equal to a0 plus a1I plus a2I square plus a3I cube plus a4 I4 plus a5 I5, that is equal to a0 plus a1 I square is minus 1, a2 I cube is minus I4 is plus 1, I5 is plus I. So a0 minus a2 a5 minus a2 plus a4 one group plus I times a1 minus a3 plus a5. This is 1 plus I whole power 5. Taking modulus on both sides, we will get this is 2 raised to the power 5, that is equal to a0 minus a2 plus a4 whole square plus a1 minus a3 plus a5 whole square. So the answer is 32. 2 power 5 is 32. The answer second option is correct. a0 minus a2 plus a4 whole square plus a1 minus a3 plus a5 whole square. So the answer is 32. Now we will move to the next question. Next question in the expansion a minus 2b whole power n, sum of fifth and sixth term is equal to 0, then the value of n. Tr plus 1 equal to ncr a power n minus r minus 2b whole power r. We want to find out the sum of fifth and sixth term. So r is equal to 4. nc4 a power n minus 4 minus 2b whole power 4. And t5 plus 1 is equal to nc5 a power n minus 5 minus 2b whole power 5. According to the question, sum of fifth and sixth term is 0. That means nc4 a power n minus 4 minus 2b whole power 4 plus nc5 a power n minus 5 minus 2b whole power 5 equal to 0. nc4 a power n minus 4 16b power 4 equal to nc5 a power n minus 5 32b power 5. Now 16 and 32 get cancelled, b power 4 and b power 5 get cancelled. Now we get nc4 a power n divided by a power 4 equal to nc5 a power n divided by a power 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by b. A power n and a power n cancel, a power 4 and a power 5 cancel. Therefore nc4 equal to 2b divided by a multiplied by nc5. nc4 n factorial divided by 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial equal to 2b divided by a n factorial divided by 5 factorial multiplied by n minus 5 factorial. N factorial cancel. Now n minus 4 factorial is 4 factorial into n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial equal to 2b multiplied by a multiplied by 5 into 4 factorial multiplied by n minus 5 factorial. N minus 5 factorial cancel, 4 factorial cancel. So we get 1 upon n minus 4 equal to 2b divided by a multiplied by 5. So taking reciprocal on both sides, we get n minus 4 equal to 5a divided by 2b, or n is equal to 5a divided by 2b plus 4, or you want to find out the value of n. So n is equal to 5a plus 8b divided by 2b. Value of n, I think value of a, it's not n, value of a, value of a, value of a. So the value of a from this term is value of a equal to 2 times n minus 4 divided by 5. Value of a, b, 5b. So the option number 2 is correct answer. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 3. Coefficient of x to the power 5 in the expansion of coefficient of x to the power 5 in the expansion of x square minus x minus 2 whole power 5. Coefficient of x to the power 5 in x minus 2 into x plus 1 whole power 5. That is coefficient of x to the power 5 in x minus 2 whole power 5 multiplied by x plus 1 whole power 5. That is coefficient of x to the power 5 in x to the power 5 minus 5c1 x to the power 4 into 2 plus 5c2 x cube into 2 square minus 5c3 x square into 2 cube plus 5c4 x into 2 power 4 minus 5c5 2 power 5 multiplied by x to the power 5 plus 5c1 x plus 5c2 x square plus 5c3 x cube plus 5c4 x4 plus x to the power 4. This is x cube. This is x cube. X cube. X cube. This is x square. And this is x. And the last term is 5c5 x to the power 0. So coefficient of x to the power 5. That means this multiplied by the last. That is 5c5. Then this term multiplied by this term. That is minus 2 times 5c1 multiplied by 5c4. Then 5c2 into 2 square, that is 4, multiplied by 5c3. Then minus 5c3, this one, minus 5c3 multiplied by 8, multiplied by 5c3 multiplied by 5c2, this one, 5c2 into 5c2. Then 5c4 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 5c1, this and this. The last is minus 5c5, that is 1 into 2 power 5, that is 32. Now 5c5 is 1, 5c4 is also 5, 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50. 5c2 is 10, 5c3 is 10, 100, 100 into 4 is 400. 5c2 is 10, 5 100, 800, minus 800. 5 5s are 25, 25 into 16, which is again 400, minus 32. 400, 400, 800 cancel. So this comes to be minus 49, minus 32, which is minus 81. So the option 4 is correct answer. Now we will move to the next question. Coefficient of x to the power 53 in the expansion m is equal to 0 to 100. That is sigma 100 cm multiplied by x minus 3 whole power 100 minus m multiplied by 2 raised to the power m. This is nothing but sigma m is equal to 0 to 100, which is the expansion of x minus 3 plus 2 whole power 100. That is sigma x minus 1 whole power 100. That is m is equal to 0 to 100. We want the coefficient of x to the power 53. So tr plus 1 is equal to 100 cr x to the power 100 minus r multiplied by minus 1 power r. The value of coefficient of x to the power 53. So 100 minus r equal to 53. So r is equal to 47. R is equal to 47. Substitute in equation number 1. We get coefficient of x to the power 53 equal to 100c 47 multiplied by minus 1 to the power 47, which is minus 100c 53. Minus 100c 53. That is the correct answer. Second option is the correct answer. Now the next question. Fifth question was on the board. Fourth question is on the board. Sigma r plus 2 divided by r plus 1 into NCR equal to 2 power 8 minus 1 by 6. Find the value of n. Sigma r is equal to 0 to n. R plus 2 can be written as r plus 1 divided by r plus 1 multiplied by NCR equal to 2 power 8 minus 1 by 6, which is sigma 1 plus 1 by r plus 1 into NCR equal to 2 power 8 minus 1 by 6, which is sigma NCR plus sigma 1 by r plus 1 NCR equal to 2 power 8 minus 1 by 6. R is equal to 0 to n. This is 2 power n plus we write 1 by n plus 1. N plus 1 divided by r plus 1 into NCR equal to 2 power 8 minus 1 by 6, where r varies from 0 to n. This is 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 1. N plus 1 C r plus 1, where r varies from 0 to n, equal to 2 power 8 minus 1 divided by 6. So this is nothing but, as you substitute the values, we get 2 power n 1 by n plus 1 multiplied by n plus 1 c1 plus n plus 1 c2 etc. n plus 1 c n plus 1 equal to 2 power 8 minus 1 by 6. So 2 power n 1 by n plus 1. This is 2 power n plus 1 minus 1, because n plus 1 0 is missing, equal to 2 power 8 minus 1 by 6. So 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 1 multiplied by 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 equal to 2 power 8 minus 1 by 6. 2 power n take outside, we get 1 by 1 plus 2 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 equal to 2 power 8 minus 1 by 6. So this is 2 power n multiplied by n plus 3 divided by n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1 equal to 2 power 8 minus 1 by n plus 1. That is nothing but 2 power n multiplied by n plus 3. N plus 3 minus 1, which is n plus 2 divided by n plus 1 equal to 2 power 8 minus 1 by n plus 1. When you put n is equal to 2 or n is equal to 5, n is equal to 5, we get 2 power n into n plus 3 divided by n plus 3 minus 1 divided by n plus 1 equal to 2 power 8 minus 1 by n plus 1. So 2 power n into n plus 3 equal to 2 power 8. When you put n is equal to 5, we will get 2 power 5 into 8 equal to 2 power 8. So 2 power 5 into 2 power 3 equal to 2 power 8. So n is equal to 5. So the answer is n is equal to 5.